2015 Mazda 6 here at Stereo Installs in Mentor, Ohio. Started in the front, OEM Integrated Sirius XM satellite, so it's hidden behind the head unit. This car did not come with that from the factory, so we added a Vase Tech piece in the dash. Functions with the factory control knob in the middle. Everything's hidden behind the dash, you don't even know it's there. Uses a USB input to give you satellite radio. All four doors have Sony ES 6.5 mid-bass drivers.
Not gonna see them. Put away.
Got a Stinger 5-channel marine grade amplifier running the 4-door speakers, and then we have a subwoofer in the trunk. It's a Kicker Comp C single 12 ported subwoofer that's in the trunk.
So tell us about this.
300 watt RMS Comp C single 12 ported box from Kicker. Kicker makes fabulous factory made preloaded enclosures. In my opinion, they're the best in the business. They're fabricated out of higher end wood than most other companies are using right now, and carpeting is beautiful on it.
Right. Thanks, Dave. We're gonna jam this thing, hear how it sounds. Alrighty, see what we got. Sounds great. Hey, I'll tell you what, if you guys are in need of a stereo install, come on down. We'll take care of you. Be good, and we'll see you on the next video.